Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and verify deposits using Venmo balance history, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the icon in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Manage Balance. Next, tap on Withdraw Funds to access your Venmo balance. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the bank account where you want to deposit the funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add one now. Review your withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the details, tap Submit. You will receive a notification about the status of your withdrawal. To verify your deposits, return to the main menu. Tap on Transactions to view your Venmo activity. In the Transactions section, find the deposit you wish to verify. You can check for any fees associated with your withdrawals. Also, confirm that the amount matches what you expected. If there are discrepancies, you can contact Venmo support for assistance. Make sure to monitor your linked bank account for the pending deposit. Finally, keep your Venmo app updated for any new features or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.